Well, hi there and welcome to the ISCFX Options Weekly Outlook for August 20th, 2012. As always, this is Jason Ayers here of OptionSource.net. Let's start off with a look at the weekly chart of the US dollar index. This is a great way to gain perspective as to how the US dollar has been trading against a basket of currencies, while 82.5 remains a strong support for the dollar index on our weekly chart. As long as it holds, we anticipate a move higher into this 83-84 resistance zone. Let's take a quick look at the daily chart. The daily chart reflects the multi-week consolidation at 82.5. A break below 82 does open the window for a move lower. However, a break of 83 will trigger a trade higher. Next up, the CDD, the US versus the Canadian dollar. Well, the CDD continues to trend lower but sits at a strong support level within this 98.99 focal zone. We expect the bounce to test 100.101 for resistance. However, the path of least resistance remains to the downside. Next up, the YUK, the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. The YUK made an impressive move higher, breaking beyond our 79.5 resistance, which now assumes the role of support. Should 79.5 hold as support, 80.5 is the next upside target. A break back below 79 opens the window for a move lower. Let's take a look at the EUI, the US dollar versus the euro. Well, the EUI continues to find support at 81. A break below 81 suggests a test to the lower range of our focal zone down at 80. However, we suspect a bounce higher from this zone to test 83. Next up, the US dollar versus the British pound is seen here in the ISCFX options pair value BPX. Well, the BPX continues to consolidate along the 63.5 support level, and a break below lends credibility to a tradable move to the downside. A reversal and break above 64 will have us targeting the 65 resistance level. Let's take a look at the AUX, the US dollar versus the Australian dollar. Well, the AUX bounced higher last week and is now testing resistance at 96. A follow through 96 and a consolidation above this level opens the window for a continuation higher. 94.95 remains a strong support, and rejection at 96 lends credibility to a retest. Let's take a look at our key points. First of all, as with last week, the US dollar index continues to consolidate. 82.5 remains a key support. We suspect a bounce higher this week. The CDD continues to trend lower, but support is holding at 98.99. A bounce and subsequent break above 99.5 opens the window for a move higher. The YUK broke beyond our upside target of 79.5, which now assumes the role of support. We suspect a retracement lower this week after such a substantial move. The EUI spent last week consolidating along the 81 support. We are open to a bounce towards 82.83. As with last week, the BPX continues to consolidate within the 63.5-64 support. A reversal and subsequent break above 64 suggests a continuation higher. A break below 63.5 opens the window for a continuation lower. The AUX broke higher last week to test 96. We are open to a pullback to retest 95 as support. A break above 96 lends credibility to a continuation higher. And this has been your ISCFX Options Weekly Outlook for August 20th, 2012. As always, this is Jason here of OptionSource.net, reminding you to sign up for your free webinar at www.optionsource.net.